After our last major release, SIListra Safety Transformer 2.0, at the beginning of 2024, with tons of new features, possible new workflows, and a complete TÜV Süd certification, we now expand on this milestone with version 2.1 of the SIListra Safety Transformer. And even though this is not a major release, the amount of major improvements, new possible workflows based on customer feedback is unparalleled. Most importantly, and out of the box, you can now scale your applications on multi-core processors with multiple threads. To this end, SIListra Safety Transformer 2.1 supports now multi-threaded safety applications. For this, you will find a comprehensive documentation in your SIListra Safety Transformer installation, helping you to start your multi-threaded journey. Additionally, you can now use the newest programming language features for C23 and C++23, helping you to simplify or improve your code and make it even safer. This includes most of the language standard features like const expressions, virtual functions, templates, algorithms, concepts, ranges, and many more. For more details and restrictions, please refer to the chapter Input Language Specification Overview, which is part of the user manual and can be found in your SIListra Safety Transformer installation. And here to help you reduce implementation effort is the newly introduced encoded module header, which bundles declarations that are needed or that you might want to use. Furthermore, SIListra Safety Transformer 2.1 allows your application to be more performant without sacrificing safety. We have added a whole lot of function optimizations as well as a heuristic for the calculation of the encoded stack size, enabling a better out-of-the-box performance as well as a better application optimization in general. But also usability isn't coming short in version 2.1. You can now use the newly introduced debugging and supporting tools, including a comprehensive documentation and multiple new tutorials that help you in improving the development of your safety application. The full list of new features, improvements, and bug fixes can be found in the installation directory of the SIListra Safety Transformer 2.1. Additionally, following the footsteps of version 2.0 of the SIListra Safety Transformer, version 2.1 is again fully TÜV Süd certified, now including the railway standard EN 50716. Effectively make your system safe today with the brand new SIListra Safety Transformer 2.1. For more information regarding the SIListra Safety Transformer 2.1, click the link in the video description, visit our website, or contact us directly.